Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install mods on AC Unity. Now there are different type of mods and I'm going to show you how to install each of these. I'm going to start with the Anvil mods, which replaces animation, textures and models. To get started you'll need Anvil, and you'll also need Runtime 5.0, which you can get from here, or just any version. It has to be 5.0. You need to install these. After that, go to Anvil, double click on it. It's gonna take a while. Then click on that. Make sure you selected the correct folder of your AC Unity. If not, you can just choose this one and you're done. Once you've done that, double click on it. Now we need to find a mod that we have to install. In this case I have front flip mod, we got clearable mod, we got prologue mod. Now they're going to tell you where you have to replace them in the readme file in the Nexus mod page, but let's just start with this. The front flip mod, there are two files. One that makes you jump less frequently and two that makes you jump very frequently. I'm going to use this. The place where you have to put this is called datapc.forge according to their website. Double click on it and you'll meet a folder like this, which is in this folder. So copy this and then paste it and go inside it. Then we'll have to put this one because we want to jump very frequently. So copy this, paste this, replace this. Once we've done that, we're gonna have to repack it. So we're gonna click on back. We'll find this folder, click on this download button, and when it says finished repacking, you're done. Now we could install the rest of the mods, but let's just show you different mods. For example, ACUFixes, which has these. All you have to do is copy them and paste them to your game folder like this, and when you open the game it'll automatically load it. But in case you cannot do that, you can just go to the ACUFixes and then double click on this and it'll also run your game. Let me show you another mod, which is the graphics mod right here, according to my which you saw in my showcase video. Double click, hit yes, and then wait until you have this. Press next, next, select destination folder, which is our AC Unity folder, wherever that might be. Press OK, next, and install. If any of these mods that don't work, I should have told you earlier, most of the mods support the 1.5.0 or the latest Steam or Uplay version of the game. Any other version might cause crashing in certain mods, so be aware of that.